Ordinary inverter against Sharp J-Tech inverter refrigerator. Ordinary inverter will give you, well, ordinary cooling, due to its fluctuating temperature. The revolutionary J-Tech inverter can chill a lot faster and can keep drinks chilled at an optimum temperature. So you can enjoy that perfect extra cold drink like never before. Temperature is kept cool consistently. Ice cubes can be ready in as much as 60 minutes faster than regular refrigerators. That's because J-Tech inverter has 9 times more cooling gear levels than ordinary inverters. Start enjoying faster cooling, fine control cooling, and energy savings with J-Tech inverter technology from the future. Sharp.